black pepper, lamb liver, beetroot bowl, or black pepper, lamb liver, beetroot stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the lamb liver recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most tastiest of the stew recipes and one of the most unique of the lamb stew recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes. We're going to make black pepper mutton liver beetroot stew. We are taking around 300 to 400 grams of lamb liver, thoroughly cleaned and cut into pieces. Ingredients are 3 to 4 sprigs of curry leaves, 10 to 15 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 20 cloves of garlic cut into pieces, 15 grams of ginger. Pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the garlic. Saute. Put in the shallot. Saute. Add a little salt. Saute. put in the ginger, salt, this all mix. Put in the tomato pieces. Put in the curry leaves. Salt. Parsley salt. Pieces. Sort that out. Put in some mint leaves and put in quarter spoon of turmeric powder, a spoon of black pepper powder, half a spoon of mixture spice, thoroughly soften it. Put in salt to taste, thoroughly mix. Put in the lamb liver into the mixture and mix it with the rest of the mixture until it's nicely cooked, and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes in the pressure cooker. The black pepper, lamb liver, beetroot bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Garnish with a few mint leaves, and now the lamb liver beetroot stew can be served. Pour in 2 cups of water. Mix. Mix that in. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 6 to 8 minutes. This is the final black pepper, lamb liver, beetroot stew, or black pepper, lamb liver, beetroot bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb recipes and one of the most unique of the mutton recipes and one of the most delicious of the lamb liver recipes and one of the most unique of the bowl recipes and one of the most delicious of the beetroot recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.